When it comes to high-gloss kitchens, quality matters. There are many different high-gloss surfaces out there, but they're not all the same. Let me tell you about our high-gloss surface, RAUVISIO Brilliant. One thing that's so special about RAUVISIO Brilliant is the surface's mirror-like reflective quality, which you won't find anywhere else. It's made with double-sided gloss, so your cabinets will shine on the inside and out. RAUVISIO Brilliant is available in 12 different colors to give you different design options for your modern home. But none of these colors will fade. RAUVISIO Brilliant is made with superior color fastness. Boasting 20+ years of UV stability, you can create an open and bright kitchen without worrying about yellowing over time. RAUVISIO Brilliant cabinet doors are made with PUR lamination and finished with laser edge technology, so they are heat and moisture resistant. RAUVISIO Brilliant is the modern design you want with the high quality you need.